Double cheese.
Double cheese.
Yes.
Okay, let me see your toy. What does it say?
Bob the Builder.
And put the bottom one. Read it. Read the one on the bottom. What's this? What does it say?
Fix Bob.
Switch and fix Bob. Wow, that's nice. Let me see.
And the head turns.
The head turns. Let me see.
The head turns.
Bob the Builder.
It's Bob the Builder.
Switch and fix
Bob.
Quick switch action.
Switch action. These are the screwdrivers.
Yeah, if you say try me, it's gonna fix this one. See?
That's where the fun.
Now he's gonna try it on.
Boots, check. Tool belt, check. Hard hat, check. Can you choose the best tool for the job? Come on, team. We've got a job to do. Let's get this job finished. Can we build it?
Yes, we can.
I'm gonna try it.
Yes, we can. Bob the Builder. Yes, we can.
It's the song.
Yeah, hold on.
I'm
Let's
gonna
open
try
it.
it
Then
too.
open it now. You wanna try it?
Come on, team. We've got a job to do. Boots, check. Tool belt, check. Hard hat. Can we build it? Can you choose the best tool for the job?
You see, yes.
Yes.
Let's get this job finished.
I'm dancing.
You're dancing?
Yes.
Come on, let's open it now.
I get it up and down.
Daddy's gonna get a scissor. Hold on.
I'm gonna cut the knife. I'm gonna cut it.
Cut it
I'm
with the
gonna
knife.
cut it.
Alright, excited?
Yes.
Alright,
I cut it already.
let's go take it out. Alright, so we're going to open this Bob the Builder lights and drilling sound switch and fix Bob
Yes.
by Fisher Price.
Yes.
Yeah, look at all those tools right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, and
That's so nice.
yeah, it's so nice. You like it?
Yes.
Alright, light and drilling sounds, rotating belt, and select a tool, press and load, press to load, and get the job done.
Yes.
And good repairs rely on having the right tools in the right hands. That's where little builders come in. With a trusty rotating tool belt and amazing quick drill action, kids can choose between a jackhammer, a saw, and auger to help Bob get the job done.
Yes.
Are ready to open it up?
Yes.
Okay, sit down there and we'll open it up.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. Have a seat. There we go. Hold on.
It's a new day, Dada.
Yeah,
It's a new day, Coin.
new day.
And I have a new day house. This is a house. My house.
Have a seat there. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a
I
seat.
should see.
Let's gonna take it out. Okay. Okay. So now we're taking it out. We're taking it out. Do you like it?
Yes.
What did you say a while ago? It's awesome.
Yes.
Say it again.
It's awesome.
That's nice, Key. You wanna try it?
Yes.
Come on, team. We've got a job to do. Can we build it?
Yes. Oh.
Boots, check. Tool belt, check. Hard hat, check. Come on, team. We've got a job to do. Let's get this job finished. Can we build it?
Yes.
Can you choose the best tool for the job?
Okay, you have to place it right here so that they can see.
Hard hat, check. Can you choose the best tool for the job? Come on, team. We've got a job to do. Let's get this job finished. Can we build it?
Yes. It's turning around.
Come on, let's get the tools out. There are tools here,
Come
huh?
on, team. Boots check. Tool belt check.
Just put the tools in, huh? That is gonna take out the tools, okay?
Yes.
Can you choose the best tool for the job?
Okay, yeah, Daddy already took out the gun. Let's put this in. Come on, let's see. Let's put this on. Oh, this one's for the shield. This is Bob the Builder's shield right here.
Head.
Yes, for the helmet. See?
It's for the head.
Yeah, you can put it up and down like this. So
Up and down. I can put up and down.
yeah, when you start working, you have to put your shield on that way to protect your eyes. Okay?
Yes.
And this one you have put it here. Let's put it on here. Look at the tools.
I can
And
put
then
it
it's
too.
gonna switch around the belt. Look.
That-
See how we do it.
another.
And give me the other one so that Daddy can put it.
I'm gonna put it.
Put it on. Yeah, you gotta put it on. And then you select the tools you want. Okay. Oh.
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
Oh, I dropped it.
Come on, you try it. Try it on. You have to face this way. That way they can see it. Okay. Put your shield down. Oops, hold on. Put the shield down. And then press on the head. You get your tool. Come on. Press on his head. Yeah. Press on your head and you get the tool. Come on, let's see.
I got the yellow.
Yeah, let's see. Let's try it.
Yellow.
It's so hard. Let's see.
Boots check. Tool
There,
belt
see?
check. Hard hat check.
It went up.
Can you choose?
He's gonna change it, huh? And then let's switch the tool. Just hammer and push it. There you go. See? And push it back. Come on, it's gonna go back.
Come on, team.
Push harder. Push
We've
harder.
got a job to do. Let's get
There you
this
go.
job finished. And we build it.
Can you build it? Yes, we.
10.
There you go.
Lights up.
Come on, team. We got a job to do. Boots check.
We check. Now put the tools in. Put the tools in.
Oh, this.
No, you have to put it on the belt. Put it on the belt, Matthew.
Boot. Belt.
Put it on the belt.
The belt.
Yeah. Let me help you. Here, you have to put it on the belt. Come on,
That's
put the
my
other one
belt.
in. Put the other one in.
This.
Yeah, this one. Hold on. Put this one in. Flip it. Oops. Oopsie.
This is the builder.
There.
This
And
is a
then,
mask.
yeah, when you press on it hard. Press on it hard like this. Press the head up. Press the head. There you go.
Build it.
That's so
Yes. Then put it down. Push the head down and it's gonna put it back. Push the head down. Push the head down.
Can you choose the best tool
Put-
for the job?
Put the helmet down and push the head down harder.
Way to go, team.
Push it down. Push the head down. Pull Bob the... And then we push it again. There, see? Done?
Come on, team. We got a job to do.
Look at that. See?
I can try it.
Okay, turn the belt on. That's so nice.
And we build
Harder,
it.
harder, push harder. There you go. Good job. Yes, we can. Isn't that awesome?
Tool belt check. Hard hat
Awesome.
check. Come on, team.
Push harder.
We got a
Push
job
harder.
to do.
Push harder.
Let's
There you
get
go.
this
Let go.
job finished.
There you go. Turn the belt. Let's change it. Turn the belt. Don't take that out. Don't take that out. Just turn the belt on. Okay, and push it again. Push the head again. Harder, harder, harder,
Hard.
harder.
And can you
There
choose
you
the
go.
best tool for the job?
Yes, we can. It's a nice toy, right?
Yes.
Alright, you like it?
Yes.
Is it awesome?
Yes.
Okay, say goodbye now.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. Matt's World of Fun.